dreht sich um und somit darf sich natürlich die Katze jetzt nicht verraten. Das heißt, sie bleibt abrupt in der Bewegung stehen. Sieht manchmal sehr lustig aus.
So, I'm gonna be taking y'all to school with me. I'm gonna show y'all how a language school kind of goes, I guess. Maybe, if I'm not scared to film. So, my class is up those stairs. There's also a classroom down in the basement. That's cool.
Bleibst du heute zu Hause? Ich bin nämlich. Hat jemand anders eine Idee vor?
Ich bin krank aus diesem Grund kann.
I won't pretend I've been anxious, just like I've always been.
Oh my god, it's the freaking Bruce Wayne of lawnmowers. Damn. Oh, hey, is this seat taken? No? Well, I'm sitting down anyways. Hi. Long time no see. I can't really say much other than as soon as I came back home from my last trip, I worked 40 hours a week for about 50 weeks. A lovely experience. Wouldn't recommend it to anyone. But in that time frame, I bought a car, had to buy a new phone. Wasn't thinking I was going to be back here in Germany so soon, but you know, life has some mystical surprises, and my boyfriend actually does really like me because he bought me a ticket to come see him. So that's cool. But yeah, so I'm back here in Germany. I've been here for about 2 weeks, as you probably saw previously, I think. But needless to say, I think this is going to be a little bit of an outro video, outro clip. Yeah. I just want to recap some of the things I've done that I might not have videotaped. I do have some photos that I might pop up here if I figure out how to edit that. But yeah, just living life, avoiding responsibilities back home, but that's normal. But yeah, Germany has this wonderful thing where people will just leave items on the side of the road with a sign that says free, and you can just grab them. And so I found some old comics, like Walt Disney comics of Donald Duck. So I grabbed them for free. This one, I think, was originally €2. It's Stewie, Louie, and Dewey. But I guess in German they're Tick, Trick, und Track. Yeah. I thought this would be a fun little thing. My dad loves Donald Duck. I can only assume he would have this like Donald Duck impression that he would do for us that was hilarious to me as a child. So yeah. So I got my dad some garbage finds. If you see this, no you didn't. But yeah, and like then there's this other one that's Donald Duck, and I think Onkel Dagobert speelt zo wie Anno Dazum. Dazuma? Oh, and this is like, okay, I haven't actually gone through them. This one has, it's a Christmas one. Oh, that's cool. But yeah, I got these. I think they're cool. But with that, I think I don't have much to say. I just have the apartment to myself. You probably saw me cleaning a bit, so I figured I'd just stop here and chat. Yeah, so found some books. I still want to go to a bookstore. I really want to get like an actual, it's going to sound so stupid, a big girl book in German. Last year I bought Matilda and Charlie und die Schokoladefabrik, both kid books. Could read them, so that's solid. I want to try and get like an actual German book, like a book made for a 26-year-old adult and not a 10-year-old child. But yeah, that's my goal right now. I might add a clip of me doing that. Maybe not. That might be in the next video because I've been filming for 2 weeks of just random little tidbits, and I think I want to start editing that. I hope you liked the video. See you on the flip side. Bye.